One Teach, One Assist is a co-teaching strategy that requires minimal planning and is easy to implement. Here I am assisting a student as Miss Bell teaches geometric relationships in her 6th grade math class. Learning target: students will identify, classify, and compare quadrilaterals. Purpose of the lesson is to prepare students to find the area of geometric shapes using coordinate grids and formulas.
Did you remember taking notes the other day?
No. Yeah.
Where's your notes? Some pictures that you drew?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like last week.
Yeah, like last week. Where's your paper at?
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
You remember the other day, do I have to keep this? Why am I keeping this?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what you're talking about.
I'll do this way.
These.
What is it?
You got your notes, get them out and fold it.
Oh, okay. There they are.
Did your definition? You wasn't here all last week? You don't have any of these done? Let me see you right
That's
here.
not.
Look at these and see if you can figure what kind of triangles those angle measurements will give you.
I know.
We have cube, obtuse, and conic. 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees. What kind of triangle is it?
The top one
Mm-hmm.
would be right,
How do you know that?
but it had 90 degrees.
Because it has one 90-degree angle in it. Okay, so the middle one is 51 degrees, 88 degrees, and 41 degrees. Tell me what kind of triangle is that one?
A cube,
How do you know?
because all of the angles less than that.
All of the angles are less than 90. Victoria, we got 37 degrees, 40 degrees, and 103 degrees. Obtuse because 103 is greater than 90 degrees, so that's one angle that's greater than 90 degrees. Okay? Do you remember once upon a time, long, long ago, when we did coordinate grids?
Yeah. Yes.
We
When we
went
made the
through the coordinate sections,
Oh,
and the
yeah.
positive and negative.
Yeah, we made the
numbers.
pictures out of
Yeah, we made those pictures out of them. Okay, we're going to review coordinate grids a little bit also.
We're gonna have to
Okay.
roll it and put the app
Just a little bit.
Can I hold it?
That's going to be Mr. P. Put you to work.
See, if I've been a while since I've been in these.
Yeah.
You don't remember?
I do.
So, we're going to do mainly in that first quadrant, so it means all the corners are going to be positive. Okay? So, yes. Hang on just a minute, okay? All right, so we're going to start off with the first one. The coordinate is 1, 2.
1, 2.
I know.
1, 2. Okay.
1,
1, 2.
2. Oh, what?
Okay.
I thought you went up.
Yeah, you would.
No, he's doing it wrong.
What do you mean I'm doing it wrong?
I thought you had to go up first.
I did go up first. I went up 1 and over 2.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
You wouldn't want to go.
Now you've confused me.
You're right.
Do I go?
You go up and over.
Do I do the x-axis first or the y-axis?
I don't know which
Except
one.
Y. The Y-axis is like this.
The x-axis.
right here.
I thought you
It's the Y-axis. Okay, this is
All right.
Stop.
Hang on a second.
This is confusing.
Joseph.
That's right.
How many people agree with Joseph?
I'm just going.
Cody,
Yeah.
you weren't so quick to raise your hand. What do you think it should be?
X comes first. It's going.
So that means what should you do?
This is my x-axis. So I did it, but you're telling me I did it backwards?
Yeah, because X becomes for Y.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Oh, right.
well, let's see. How many people felt I did it right again? Raise your hand.
Changing my mind.
Changing their mind. Okay.
They're bailing on you.
So me and
Okay.
Cody got it right.
And Cody's 100% positive I did it wrong.
Yeah.
How many people? Now Colton is
No, I
here.
told him we were supposed to go 1 up 2.
So I guess I did make a mistake, so I understand. So let me erase that, thank you. Let me try this again. 1, 2, and as Cody told us, it's always we go
Well,
X first, X is across and Y is up. My X was what? 1. So I go over
1.
1
Up 2.
up 2.
and up 2. Can everybody see my?
It's right there.
Okay. So my original dot was here, so
That's right.
No, that's right.
that's right.
That's
Very
right.
good.
Whew, thank you. Let me try it again.
Let's try 4, 5,
4, 5, 4, 5.
Four.
No. 4,
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 5.
All right, you agree?
Yes.
That was 4, 5.
All right, connect those 2 points.
Yeah.
Good job.
I need points on each side.
Yeah.
All right,
Am I
let's
done?
try coordinate for 4, 2.
4, 2. Oh, I got the hang of this now. I go over, because it's pi and up 2. So over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 2. 1, 2. Oh, there it is. Shoot.
Connect that to 4, 5.
That's gonna be right.
That's gonna be a right triangle.
And then also connect that back to 1, 2, where we started.
I know what it is.
Yes, it is.
It's a scaling triangle.
It's a right triangle.
It's a right triangle.
It's scaling.
It's a right triangle.
So what does a right triangle mean?
It's exactly 90
All right, it has one angle that's exactly 90 degrees. And just because we're gonna trade people a little bit, okay? 3N, quadrilaterals. And so all those shapes in there, they're all quadrilaterals, okay? But then as you look at those different definitions, some of those shapes can qualify as more than one thing. Okay? And this little circle is something else, but where they overlap,
It's the same.
it's both. Okay.
Gotta compare and contrast.
So the great big box is called quadrilaterals. And so all those shapes in there, they're all quadrilaterals. Okay? But then as you look at those different definitions, some of those shapes can qualify as more than one thing. Okay? So for example, a square can also be what?
A rectangle.
Or a rectangle.
But in a rhombus can be a square, right?
Right. Because in your definitions, for a square, it says a rectangle with 4 congruent sides, all angles are right angles.
Parallelogram.
Okay? For a rhombus, it says parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. That part matches up pretty well. For a rhombus, it says opposite angles are congruent. Well, if all 4 angles are congruent,
I don't know.
then that means that the opposite ones
Congruent means the
on
same.
the square.
Exact same size, exact same
Look,
shape.
you see?
Wow.
Now we got them.
Okay, shot.
Okay, 4 right angles,
4 right angles.
and the opposite sides match,
Yeah.
right? So think about a square. It's got 4 right angles,
And all sides match.
the top and bottom match, the left and right match. In our chart, there, page 443, of all those quadrilaterals,
Because it had 4 sides and it had no right angles.
you're right, that would be a picture to go with this.
Quadrilateral. Does do the parallelograms overlap rectangle squares and rhombuses?
Yes.
That right there be the
So, come back to number 12. A quadrilateral with 4 congruent sides, that means all 4 sides match, but it doesn't have any right angles at all.
rhombus.
Rhombus is 1, parallelogram is the other.
I felt the co-teaching lesson went well. Miss Bell even mentioned that it seemed like we've been working together every day. At the end of the lesson, students were able to complete the worksheet using textbook notes and teacher assistance.